They had muscles than us.
Kampuni ya mawasiliano ya Safaricom imetoa ufadhili wa shilingi milioni 15 kwa mwaka huu wa mashindano ya Rhino Charge. Ufadhili huo utawasaidia madereva Adil kwa jana pamoja na madereva wengine 4 ambao wameshiriki mashindano hayo na wanashiriki kwa mara ya 21. Itakuwa ni historia kwa mashindano hayo yataandaliwa kaunti ya Kajiado mosi mwezi wa Juni.
So today has been an exciting day for us. So an opportunity for us to continue on with the partnership that we've had for the past 2 years with the Rhino Charge, and a partnership that extends beyond that with the Rhino Arc Charitable Trust, with the sole purpose of conserving our environment. So the Rhino Charge, as many of you may be aware, is a charge that takes drivers in a race against nature itself, trying to beat time to get to a particular spot within the shortest time possible.
I look forward to a good event for everybody. We're looking forward to raising lots of money. We're hoping that all the chargers raise money. We have a slightly new format where we have amended the rules to the Rhino Charge, where you have new entrants able to come, and you also have a half charge, which is going to try to get a lot more people interested, so they don't have to spend so much money on their vehicle and they can still come and have a good day.
Mwisho wa habari.